Caramel-covered apples have long been a favorite fall treat. But did you know they have a history that dates back centuries? While the tradition of dipping apples in sugar or syrup has roots in ancient cultures, the caramel-coated apple, as we know it, was popularized in the 1950s by a candy maker named Dan Walker. He dipped apples in homemade caramel and sold them at his shop. And the idea quickly caught on, especially during festive seasons. Today, we focus on the perfect pairing of tart green apples with rich, buttery caramel, which adds a new twist to this classic treat. The natural tartness of the green apple contrasts beautifully with the sweetness of the caramel, creating a perfect balance of flavors. It's easy to see why caramel-covered green apples continue to be a popular favorite. Whether you're making them for a celebration or simply enjoying a nostalgic snack, these apples carry with them a sense of tradition, warmth, and joy that have made them a cherished part for generations. How do you like them apples?